आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। Today we have with us Mr. Bijayan Thomas on my right side. Bijayan Thomas is a very senior leader of the Congress party in Kerala. He was KPCC General Secretary. Earlier he was a Secretary of KPCC, and Mr. Thomas also held the responsibility as a chairman of KTDC, Kerala Tourism Development Corporation. He is a very senior leader in Congress, Kerala party in Kerala, and has resigned the Congress last week itself. He is joining Bharatiya Janata Party today, and his influence with the policies and programs of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who is the most popular leader of the world also. Friends, Congress party is totally confused party. No policy, no program. Our leadership is confused. That's why he has left the Congress party and joining the world largest party, Bharatiya Janata Party today. I welcome him in the Bharatiya Janata Party, in the BJP headquarters also. हिंदी में बोल दो। आपका भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यालय में भी स्वागत है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अंदर भी स्वागत है। बिजयन थॉमस जी केरल कांग्रेस के प्रदेश में जो कांग्रेस पार्टी है केरल प्रदेश में, बहुत ही सीनियर नेता वहाँ के हैं। आप वहाँ पे पार्टी के जो प्रदेश के मंत्री भी रहे, प्रदेश के महामंत्री भी रहे, यहाँ तक कि आप केटीडीसी के जो केरल टूरिज्म डेवलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन उसके चेयरमैन भी रहे। मिस्टर बिजन थॉमस का केरल में जो कांग्रेस पार्टी बढ़ी है उसमें बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है, क्योंकि कांग्रेस पार्टी कंफ्यूज्ड हो गई है, उसके नेता कंफ्यूज्ड हैं, उनकी ना कोई पॉलिसी है ना कोई प्रोग्राम है। और दूसरी तरफ विश्व के सबसे लोकप्रिय नेता माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी, जिनकी सरकार की नीतियां और कार्यक्रमों से आम जनमानस खुश है, प्रसन्न है, उनसे प्रभावित होकर आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी को आप ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, ज्वाइन किया अभी। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। रियली by joining Mr. Bijayan Thomas, we will strengthen our Bharatiya Janata Party in Kerala. If you want to say something, can.
Or answer their questions if they want to ask anything. Mr. Thomas was wondering if there are some questions to be answered. You can raise any questions if...
I was tolerating for a long time. So you know what is happening in Congress. They are not knowing what is happening to them actually. In national level, they are not even having a regional party's presence in all over India. Still, they don't know how to work it out. Even the senior leaders, they made they form a unity of G23. So who is left there now? And even in the states, who is looking after the things properly? So totally, now the hope is in Kerala. There also you can see what is going to happen in there. See, I am the starting maybe. So there will be a lot of senior leaders leaving very soon. The preparations are going on. They are just waiting what is happening until the election. So once it is happened, so there is a big flow to different parties, maybe in BJP or in other parties and all. Even Chako left and he himself stated that he is joining with left. Like that. So many senior leaders are upset, but they are not coming out with that. They are not openly saying now, because of the election time. You know that in Congress, there must be a lot of pressure, which happened to me also. There is a lot of pressure. Last week, I resigned myself. So I told 2 months back, it is not that because of getting a seat or anything. We have some principles. So based on that principles, I am working with that party. I was a coordinator in Trivandrum district, doing very well, especially a constituency called Nemam. Look at the situation of Nemam. One leader, he put a trap to catch something. So he himself is in the trap now. Now he is trying to get out of that. He is calling everybody who will come and help him. And nobody is prepared to come to that constituency. Maybe they will bring somebody. But it was an unnecessary situation which is created by him. So they are going to face a lot of problem like this. Of course, every party will be like this in the election. Or selecting the candidates will be a very difficult process. And to look after that. And they are challenging. BJP is in their challenges are against BJP mainly. So they are fighting against CPM in one side, but their main opponent, they are considering BJP. So look at the states. Each state, if you take an analysis, what is our strength? We are behind the local parties, regional parties. So when it is going to come out? So that is the situation, and nobody will listen to anybody. Especially in Kerala, there are two groups, which Mr. Chako, PC Chako mentioned very clearly. It is very difficult to stay the people with principle and identity. Very difficult. If you can tolerate anything, you can stay with that.
एक आप पूछ लो इसके बाद लास्ट में क्या अलग बात करेंगे.
It is said to be that the Congress is now a party of Kerala, essentially where Rahul Gandhi is the top leader. Is Rahul Gandhi also not able to control the exodus within the Congress party? What is really going on? Is Rahul Gandhi not able to stop people from going?
Can I take that question? You want to answer that?
No, I can answer.
Incidentally, Mr. Rahul Gandhi is talking about leaders who left, and that he is mentioned about Mr. Scindia. Apparently, he says Scindia would have been the chief minister had he stayed. And Scindia ji rightly said, when he was in the party, he was not bothered. So their question is, how many people can he hold? And Rahul Gandhi is responsible for the floodgates being open and people leaving.